recommended candidates, whenever they come, they bring the sweets and they distribute the sweets in the class, and we give them this tie. It's got an AMAS tie and an AMAS cup. Okay, there's a AMAS cup. Okay, so for towards that, Mantasha has come to us today. She was recommended from 1AFSB Dehradun on 22nd March, 1 week back. Huh? Oh yeah, just about 10 days back. Okay, yeah. So great, and she's also cleared her medical. And the best part is this is fourth time recommendation. So let's welcome her with a big round of applause. So it's a little ironical for girls. The competition is so much, and the seats are so less. But I have found that those of the girls who sustain and they continuously, don't leave their goal, they make it. The girl who joined this time, two of Eva's girls have joined AFA, Ria Dagar and Anshu Som, both in their fifth recommendations. But they continue to go, and when you continue to go, you obviously keep becoming better and better. You understand the system, you perform well, right? And then you get into the top merit, and then you join. Okay, so the lesson for girls is right from word go, don't give up. Okay, even if you get recommended and get married out, doesn't matter. Put your full force inside. More of us that we'll hear from Mantasha. So Mantasha, please come and accept the tie once again. Yeah. And in brief, but one thing I can tell you, when Mantasha was here in the class and she was a monitor, the class could not make a sound. Okay, she was that strict. So rest, you hear from her how she prepared and cleared SSB 4 times.
Thank you, sir.
Key point.
Hello, everyone. How are you all? Why so low? बस इतना ही जोश है. ऐसे कैसे करोगे प्रिपेयर? अभी तो एक ही हफ्ता हुआ है, 2 हफ्ते और हैं. थक गए क्या अभी से? So how's the जोश? Very good. इसको हाई ही रखना है because it's a long way. अभी तो आप यहाँ पढ़ रहे हो, 2 हफ्ते और हैं, प्रिपेयर करना है. You have to work really hard. जिसके बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता, you know. And then you have to go for SSB also. So the one thing that I want to say is this journey is not going to be easy, and especially for female candidates, because यहाँ पे क्या होता है, as I am here with 4 recommendations, अभी तक merit in नहीं हुआ है, so it is important that you score good in your written exams. It is very important, especially for female candidates. Please pay attention to your written exams. Score good, and then obviously it will help in your SSBs also, because your general knowledge will be good. Your general knowledge is also very important. And one thing that is very important is that whatever you are doing in life, you should be aware of it. That what you are doing, why you are doing. And if you haven't done anything, why you haven't done. And if you have chosen this field, or you have chosen or opted for anything that you are going for, why you are doing this. It is very important to be aware of yourself. Because if you are not aware of your own self, तो आप बाकी सब और क्या जानोगे जब आपको खुद के बारे में ही नहीं पता. तो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप अपने आप के बारे में सबसे पहले जानें. सो फर्स्ट, एसएसबी प्रिपरेशंस में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पहली चीज़ ये है कि आप अपने आप को पूरा जानो अच्छे से. सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करें, अपनी कमियां ढूंढें, वर्क ऑन देम, उनको इम्प्रूव करें. उसके बाद में अदर थिंग्स कम, जैसे कि जनरल नॉलेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द फील्ड दैट यू आर गोइंग फॉर उसकी नॉलेज, मिलिट्री नॉलेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड आई मे अश्योर यू हियर कि द करिकुलम प्लान विच इज़ हियर एंड द थिंग्स दैट आर टॉट टू यू, no doubt, without you can follow it blindfoldedly. आप just follow it and work hard as much as you can, because there is some expectation level, right? आप उसको मीट नहीं करोगे तो क्या फायदा. आप यहाँ आके बैठे हुए हो, अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो, पूरा पूरा दिन बैठ रहे हो, क्या फायदा. आप यहाँ आए हो तो वर्क फॉर इट, वर्क हार्ड. जो आपको काम मिल रहा है, डू इट. आपका यहाँ 3 हफ्ते के लिए कोई और काम ही नहीं है. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू व्हाट इज टोल्ड हियर, दैट्स इट. इतना आसान है. आपको कहीं जाना नहीं है, कुछ ढूंढना नहीं है, कुछ करना नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज गिवन टू यू. डू दैट, प्लीज डू दैट. आपने अगर उतना कर लिया ना, तो उसके बाद में यू विल बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट.
your first attempt, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
And you're totally raw from a civil background.
Yes, sir.
Everything you picked up here.
Yes, sir.
whatever you thought.
Yes, sir. So, as sir that said that I am from total civil background, कोई भी नहीं है दूर दूर तक forces में. If I can do it, 4 times I can do it. You can also do it, no matter to which background you belong to, because वहाँ forces में assessors they don't see where you belong or which background you belong to. They just see if you are suitable or not. Do you know who you are, where you are, why you are, what you are doing, why you are doing? If you know all this, and if you have the knowledge about the field that you're going for, that is enough. And apart from this, उसके अलावा there are some group tasks. जैसे if I talk about outdoor tasks, GT tasks, there sometimes what happens that people are so much into like run or race of getting selected कि they ignore others. Never do this. कभी नहीं करना ये. It is a group. It is your team. You are a group. जो भी group वाले task है, be involved with everyone. कभी भी ऐसे नहीं करना. You don't have to do that. You have to impose your ideas or you have to force anything on others. Never do this. Be accepting and be very helpful and be very humble and kind with everyone. Not only in SSBs, in the real world also, because SSB is just a small part of your life. The whole life is a lot bigger than this. Be a good human. That is also very important. And if you have the knowledge of yourself, if you have worked hard, if you know yourself, if you know the organization, and you're working hard, improving yourself, and you are kind towards people, you are helpful, you will land somewhere good. Definitely you will do really really good in life. This is important. This is what being a good human is, or being a human is. So always keep your जोश high. अभी थके थके दिख रहे हो, आधा दिन भी नहीं हुआ है. Why? ऐसा क्यों? अभी तो बहुत लंबी लाइफ है, बहुत लंबी जर्नी है, 2 हफ्ते भी और है. रहो, कॉन्फिडेंट रहो एंड बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. एवरीबडी कैन डू इट. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है जो नहीं कर सकता. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है, सब कर सकते हैं. मैं कर सकती हूँ, आप कर सकते हो, आप भी कर सकते हो, पीछे लास्ट में आप भी कर सकते हो. ओके, सो एवरीबडी कैन डू इट. जस्ट बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ एंड पुट योर सेल्फ इन टू इट. बाकी सब एवरीथिंग इज गिवन हेयर. बना बनाया सब कुछ मिल रहा है, बस यू हैव टू टेक इट. और रसगुल्ले खाओ एंड स्टार्ट हो जाओ. ओके, इफ यू yes.
You mentioned about so around how much score
Aim for 200 plus. That is a very safe score. If you have 200 plus or near to 200, that is a safe score. Minimum bracket in which sense? Like for being merit in. See, you cannot predict from your written scores that you will be getting merit in or not. But to be on the safer side, try to score higher, because those who get recommended, the bracket of recommendation, like the difference of marks for the candidates, it is of merely 4-5 marks or 10 to 15 marks. So if you can score those marks through your written and get into higher positions in merit, that is in your hand. Do it. That is why score for aim for 200 plus. Okay. Anybody else?
Any questions? Anybody else any questions? No questions?
Okay, thank you.